Seeing inside your safe is rather important. In many ways, adding a light to its interior can add to the safety value. For this reason, you may want to install a GlowFlex LED rechargeable safe light. With a rechargeable control box with motion sensor and LED tape lights, this is perfect for any safe. Not to mention that installing it isn't difficult and is fairly easy. With that said, let's show you how it's done. This kit comes with a rechargeable control box with motion sensor, LED light strip, micro USB charge cable, a piece of hook and loop for the control box, several small pieces of hook adhesive for the LED strip, and mounting brackets and screws. The only tools you'll need are a Phillips screwdriver and a pair of scissors. First, you'll need to pick a location for your control box. Typically, this is in the bottom of the safe on the hinge side, about 3 inches back from the front of the safe. This will allow you to align the control box with the LED tape and power source. Placing it here should provide enough clearance from the door to prevent being crushed. If you choose to use the power button rather than the motion sensor, you'll need to pick another location that's easier or faster to access. After you decide where to place the control box, peel the backing off of the hook tape and place it on the back of the box. Peel the backing off the loop tape and put it in the position you have chosen. Then put them together. Depending on the interior fabric, you may not need the loop tape. Plug the light strip into the control box, but don't turn it on just yet. You'll need to route the lights along the inside of your safe. Start in the lower hinge side corner and go up along the wall. Peel the backing off the adhesive as you go and push the light strip tightly into the wall at the corner. Depending on your interior fabric, the adhesive may not stick very well. In this case, use the small hook adhesives with the light strip, placing them every 1 to 1.5 feet. At the hinge cups, tuck the light strip inside the cup tightly to avoid any contact with the hinge. The light strip is about 15 feet long, and that should be plenty to go up the wall, across the top, and back down the other wall. If you have excess on the light strip, you may cut it with your scissors along the designated cut lines. Once everything is in place, secure the light strip to your safe using the mounting brackets and screws. Now select your power option on the control box. When the switch is in the middle mode, you will use the power button to turn the lights on and off. In this mode, there is no auto shut-off. If the switch is in the top mode, the motion sensor will be active. Using the micro USB cable, plug the control box in. There is a light indicator that will be red while charging. If the lights are on while it is plugged in, the battery will not charge. If you choose to put the control box somewhere other than the lower hinge side wall of your safe, you may need to remove it so it'll be close enough to the outlet to charge. With everything in place, you're done. The control box could take about 6 hours to fully charge, and that'll get you about 3.5 hours of total light time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to see more videos like this one. Stay safe out there, and we'll catch you later.